Happy New Year, new you and cleaner home, and we're excited to share with you today some of our New Year's resolutions, and in turn for sharing yours, we're going to give you a little bit of money off on some soft wash cleaning, some gutter cleaning, all that stuff your home needs. Andrew, what are some of your New Year's resolutions?
Lose a few extra pounds.
From where?
Spend more time with my family. Do a devotional every morning.
For me, so definitely in line with those, but it's more of sticking to my habit. Early wake up, time in the Word, working out.
We want to hear what your New Year's resolutions are. So please comment below, put in what your New Year's resolutions are, and we're going to give you $40 off any of our services throughout the month of January. Plus, we want to join together, band together with our community. So if you will tag 3 of your friends, we're going to give you an additional $10 off any of those services as well. We want to support each other, be here for each other as a group, as a community. So please join with us and let's do our New Year's resolutions.
And that's it. Let's have some fun. What are your New Year's resolutions? Are they fun? Share it with us. Let's just have some conversation. From all of us at Mega, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.